in this in this episode of Fortnite, I will gonna be trying to get a victory royale and getting the overlocked pulse rifle again. In the last video, in the last episode, I got the overlocked pulse rifle, but I still didn't get a victory royale. So I'll give it a second go, and I hope I get it. And I go here because I think it got buffed. This location got buffed. It's got more loot inside. And straight off the bat, there is someone landing near.
Gun. Somebody there.
Man. Alright. I had to put my stealth level to max.
Sees you.
Oh man. Good. Now who's talking? Yeah, take that. Combat shotgun. Not as good as the hay pump shotgun, but alright, I'll take it. Alright. Okay. Time to kill some. Wait, what?
Somebody there.
Man, how am I killing so much people? Nice.
Oh, uncommon. Combat shotgun. Uncommon.
I feel like this is
uncommon.
Ethan, don't.
Combat shotgun.
Okay. A chest. I have no idea how I opened it, but yeah, logic. I don't know why I have four shotguns in the same inventory. Probably just a waste, but I'll find more guns later. Yes, a mid-range. All right. Why is everyone dying?
You're going back all the way back to solo.
Yep. To the old days. Where I used.
Reboot card. Reboot card.
But don't you understand there's this much reboot vent, and I have to get. So what do I? Well, what?
Reboot van.
Wait, what? I automatically reboot someone? Good. Nice. Mid-range. Or the
Gingy. So Gingy. Where did they come from? Gingy. Slay Gingy. Slay Gingy. He locked down Gingy.
Man, I'm so.
They died. Gingy died.
Oh, nice.
Gingy's trying to run away. Trying to run away. You
Yeah,
trying to run
Genji
away,
can
Genji?
never beat Ava from a shotgun. Yum yum. This is yummy. Go. Why is it so slow?
Bounty hunter.
Oh, bounty board.
Weapons. No epic. Gotta be so right now.
Oh, good. Short keg.
No epic weapons.
Well, that's not good. But at least
Bounty hunter.
we get this. We get to see people. Wow. There's literally no one in brutal bastions because they here. Oh, I think I hear something. I think I hear something. Yes.
Somebody's there.
Oh, hello.
Use your board.
Good.
Killed him. Key.
2 keys.
Actually 3.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Cool. Wow, nice. Alright, now I already have a Cobra DMR. Oh, look. Look at what there is.
Storm circle.
No, I'm trying to get my bounty to get gold bars.
What are gold bars even good?
They can get they can get you weapons in a vending machine.
But the weapons are not that good.
Okay, I guess I have to worry now.
Shotgun. There.
A car.
Tesla.
I don't think that's a Tesla. I think that's a, I don't know.
Megalovania.
Nice. Good. I want to go to the place where there is a locks.
Where are locks?
Look on the map. You see that thing? I can get it. I can get weapons with my key, and sometimes I'll even get the katana.
But katana's not that good.
I know, but
Only 80 and 30. 70 and no.
Seku the Spire. That was not. I'm not. I was not supposed to do that. Wow.
Evil pump.
Oh yes. I'll definitely need that. God. Cobra DMR.
Oh, but DMR.
Good.
Last one.
No, I already have a shotgun. Now to get to see what the other one has to offer for us. Wow, I'm probably not gonna die now. Okay. Are you even at the third storm circle yet?
Legendary.
Twin mag. Oh, this okay. Haha. I'm not dying now. Where's this music even coming from? Oh, yes.
Monster truck.
Yes. Let's go kill some people. Oh, my teammate's caught in the storm. Not too bad for him. Cause she was not supposed to be caught in the storm.
That was the most stupid way to get caught.
All right, get ready.
Island.
Get ready.
New island. New island.
Ooh.
How do you get up there?
No, well, we have to wait until it forms. I have this in hand, so that'll kill everyone I see.
It formed.
It forms. Okay.
Zip line. Get the zip line.
What should I replace my overlock thing?
The Cobra DMR red assault rifle.
Yeah, sure. That's not exactly what I wanted. I have this. I should be safe. I should go pretty fast. Please. Yeah, I don't know, man. His reboot card's kinda
Hard.
to get. Now I have, all I can do is do all things myself.
Overlock pose rifle.
Yes, okay. Okay. Replace this. Get all this. No ammo for you, for all new enemies, I guess. Okay. Now we're all set. We have this. We're all set.
Yeah, we're all set. Except for the Halo Bump Shotgun. Because the last run that we had, there's only 27 trios left.
27
Trios.
No, players.
No trios.
And just like a name sync. It's probably like
It's all you.
funny. Yeah, how's it? Let's see how good this thing actually is.
Ooh.
Well, that's good.
Well, that absolutely incinerates everything.
Now this is where the bad thing comes. Everyone have good loot like me, and they can easily kill me with a easy this. But I also have this. Oh, that's the sound that I don't like.
That the good thing, the advantage is that you have a mythic
I know,
mythic
but
weapons and
the
a
bad
heal.
thing, there's a lot of people with a katana.
And the disadvantage, there's people with katanas, a lot of trios, and you're only by yourself.
Yeah, I know. I literally heard a katana flinching, like the.
You aim was the trying to aim with an overlock pulse rifle.
Oh man, I heard the katana again.
What are you doing?
Oh, I heard the explosion. There are people. I'm probably not gonna get. Oh.
The storm circle's going in fast. It's about to cover the loot island, so no one can get the overlock pulse rifle.
Man, I don't want to be a camper, but I really need to camp if I want to get a victory royale. Oh, okay, there they are.
Here's the overlock pulse rifle. You also have an overlock pulse rifle. Go run away. The storm circle. He sees you. He has the overlock pulse rifle.
Oh man, I played. Hey, what? Hey, look, suppressed assault rifle. I use like the same thing. Oh man. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next episode.